Yeah, I'm Shaun from Titan Engineering. I'm Managing Director with my wife Karina. So Titan Engineering is a trailer manufacturing business. They're Australian made only. We build trailers mainly for the earth moving industry, whether it's machinery, excavators, to commercial mowing, etc. We've been in business for 11 years now. We run with me and Karina and 5 guys on the floor. So what I tell customers is that we're a quality over quantity type business. We take pride in what we build more than just pumping them out. We pay attention to detail and really listen to what the customer wants. Most of our trailers we supply to machinery dealers. So when we build trailers for machinery, we're always trying to build strong trailers, but trying to keep them as light as possible. So when Roddy from Trailparts walked in 4 or 5 years ago and explained what he does, and the thing that came to me straight away was the axles being hollow and light, and then the fact that it's a New Zealand-based company and the axles are made in Australia, that suited us down to the ground, based around our business model. So after being introduced to the hollow axles, we thought it was a perfect fit for our business and our trailers to keep the weights down. And we found the axles were great quality, their backup was great as well. Another standout product that we use from Trailparts is their Credo. So a lot of our customers dry hire their machine and trailer. So Trailparts Credo system come into play there, and it was the perfect solution for all these vehicles not having electric brakes put in their cars. Because it's a wireless system, they can just plug the unit straight into their USB or cigarette lighter in their car, and they've got electric brakes ready to go. Aluminium trailers always had an advantage over us because of the light weight of them putting their machines on. Generally the smaller machines, they don't need the electric brakes on them. So the Credo system helped give us that competitive advantage in the market. So we typically use Trailparts for our trailers 3.2 tonne to 4.5 tonne. For the lightweight value of the axles, it works well with the overall weights to allow a heavier machine to get on our trailer. Dealing with Trailparts is pretty easy. I place my orders, they tell me the time frame, and they're always on the money. They're here on time, it works great. I've always dealt with the same rep from word go. He's been great, always a phone call away. If there's an issue, he sorts it. I would absolutely recommend Trailparts. They're innovative, they have a great product, and their customer service is awesome.